everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the December VillabeauTIFFul kit Once Upon a Time. So let's get started. So our first item out of the kit is the notepad, and this is just a regular rip and tear notepad. There's no stickiness back here, so you don't have to worry about anything getting adhesive on it on the back side. I love the length of this. This is perfect to jot a quick list down and stick it in the pockets of your planner. You can just have the top piece hanging up. I think it also fit really great inside like a print impression in the pockets. Yeah, this is really cute. I love the foiling too, the gold. And you've got the foiled pattern all around it, and then the really faint, like pretty pinks and blues in the background. Next up, we have this month's dainty sticker sheet. How cute and tiny are these? Oh my goodness, I love all of the bows and the keys. Those are my favorites on here. I'm very curious to see what other people do with these. I know I've seen a lot of people putting them on their VB pins, which I haven't committed to that yet because I don't know if they come up, like if it'll affect the paint on the hardware or anything. Yeah, I've seen people put them on their nails. I put it on my earbuds case. I just want to find little cute places to add these to. So let me know in the comments where you've used these. I want to find some fresh ideas for those. Next up, we have a 2-pack of pin loops. The top is gold with a bow, and then the bottom is just really pretty deep blue with a crown. And these are so simple to use. Once you pop them off of here, you'll see it has this white backing. You pull that back, and it's got some adhesive, nice and tacky. So then once you have that all the way pulled off, you'll take your divider, your dashboard, the cover, something a little bit more sturdy than like just a regular piece of paper is where I like to put it, something laminated at least. And then you would, after you peel this backing off, stick it onto here, and then you could have it sticking out of your pocket. And then of course this just opens right up for you to slide your pins into. Next up is a super fun treat in the December kit. We've got this really cute little pocket holder. I'm not really sure what to call these. It looks like a TN, right? But then you open it up and you've got sticker pockets in there. So I'm not sure what the official name is, but I really love it. Like especially these colors. Gold foil is my favorite. And then you got the pinks and the blues and the confetti foil with the bows. It's really nice pale pink elastic. And then you get 10 sheets of clear pockets in here. You can store sticker sheets or vinyl decals or die cuts. I like to put, when I'm using it for stickers, a sticker sheet facing this way and then one facing the back way as well, just to kind of maximize that space in there. And this is great for tossing in your purse or into your planner bags and just keeping your favorites or like whatever you need for the week with you handy on the go. Next up, we have this month's sticker book. So we've got the kit date and title here at the top, and then on the back you get an overview of all of the pages and stickers that are included, which makes it really easy to find if you're looking for a specific sticker, just to flip on here and find what you need. And then this is the additional deco sheet, and it's got that really pretty gold foiling as well. Look at those pins. And then the main sticker book itself, we always start out with the full boxes. Let's get a nice little close-up of those. I'll try to catch the foil for you. All the quotes are just, those are great. And then we've got the icons, some labels, bill stickers, some more full boxes, clipboards, and then the 3/4 boxes down at the bottom. Full page of half boxes. And they've all got some sort of foiling on there. And then we've got the headers and the little scallop labels. I love these. Let's see, oh, I skipped a page. And the full sheet of deco. I love the flat lays. Those are my favorites. And then we've got 2 pages of headers. I like that these have the space for you to put the dates in. I mean, I guess you could label them on the side over here on these other ones. Some arrows and tabs, and you've got your checklist and flags. And then the last page is the mini weeks kit, And if you keep up with the blog on the Villa Beautiful site, which you totally should, it's full of design team projects on there with all of different items from the kits. I just showed how I used the Pretty Little Things, which was last month's VBKit, the mini weeks page to decorate a monthly layout in my print impression hardbound B6. So lots of ways to use this even if you don't use a week's planner. And next I'm going to share the washi, but first I've got to take these labels off so we can roll them out and get a better look. Okay, so here is the standard size roll, and this one has a mixed metals foil on there. Looks like silver and gold with all of the florals. I don't use a lot of mixed metals actually, so this will be a fun new change of pace for me. And then we have the skinny roll, and this one has, yep, mixed metals as well. And it's got like the confetti, which reminds me of whenever the fairy godmother was transforming Cinderella, like that whole sequence there. That's what this one reminds me of. I hope it's catching on the camera because it's really pretty. All the little confetti swirls. Okay, this next item is a little bit more difficult to show without the packing bags that would catch the glare of the light, but I'm gonna do my best. So this is a DIY bookmark charm, and I'm gonna set this down so it doesn't, fall everywhere and I lose all of the pretty charms. So basically you've got your string here, and then you've got all kinds of charms, a little pretty bow charm here, and you've got these. You've got lots of choices to work with to build your own charms. So you can use all of these, you can use just a few, you can add your own charms if you have a collection of those. These are super pretty, I love that sparkle. But basically you can make it your own, and I love that fact. I know I saw a few people in the group saying that they wished it came already assembled, but for me this is a perfect way to see like how many people can put together different combinations and really make it their own. So you just tie a knot at the end of your string, start loading on your charms however you want, tie a knot at the other end, and then you can loop it like that over your planner. You can have it like a bookmark just dangling down. I mean, there are some really great pictures already being shown in the Villa Beautiful Facebook group if you want to check those out, of ones that people have already made. I'm excited to play with this. This has got a lot of cute options. I'm thinking, is this pink or purple? This little spiky thing here. I have a collection of charms from when I dabbled with making my own, so I may be able to find some coordinating ones to add to this too. But I love this bow. It's so pretty, and it's got the sparkly white. Looks kind of like snow. And then yeah, these two are also my favorites just because of that pretty shine. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to playing around with this and creating my own charm. And I know everyone is always excited to see the VBKit pins. This is so pretty. This is the Once Upon a Time pin, and it's got a white barrel, gold hardware, white crystals, as you can see, that Villa Beautiful logo looking amazing on there. There have been a couple of other pins that are all white with different hardwares and everything that have already been released, so I will show you kind of a comparison with those. Okay, so this is the other one that I found in my collection just really quickly. This is Cloud 9, and this is the Once Upon a Time kit pin on top. So you can see the difference there with the old logo versus a new logo, silver versus gold hardware, and then even the crystals, like the shine is different on them. So that's just a quick little comparison. And of course, if you're ever looking for more, you can check out the VB Pin Master List. There's a link to it on the Villa Beautiful Facebook group and on the website. You just have to click around a little bit, and it has every single pin that's ever been released, the names, hardwares, similar pins, all of that. It's a really great tool for keeping track of your collection or your wish list. And lastly, we have the paper packs. So as always, 4 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock and 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch specialty paper. This month we got 2 vellums. And I think it will be vellums in the kits just because the acetate with the folding kind of makes a lot more difference with this. And there have been a lot of great projects by the design team showing different ways to use the kit paper. If you want to check that out. This is, so we've got the front and the back, and it does come folded every month, which helps with the shipping and packaging and everything. So, I mean, I think that's great for whenever you're doing the, like, dividers, or especially if you have a smaller planner, because it doesn't really matter. But for the bigger planners, I mean, you just have to flatten it out a little bit. These bows look really good with this pattern. And then it wouldn't be a VB kit without some brush strokes. Every month we see those. This is gorgeous. I love, love, love this like confetti splatter. We've got this pattern, and then some vines, and then some more brush strokes with the glitter. So this is the paper pack, which is a separate purchase. You can either get the basic kit or the basic kit plus the paper pack add-on. And every month that you pre-order a kit, you're also going to get a folder of digitals that include patterns and clip art that'll coordinate with every kit. These are for personal use only, but you can use them to set up all of your planners to match the monthly VB kit and do a lot of other really fun projects too. You can find all of my links in the description below. That's for the shop, the blog, the Facebook group, my Instagram, all of that. If you have any questions, drop those in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.